Okay, juniors, let's learn singular and plural with me. Singular, flower, flowers. Coin, coins. Tree, trees. Pencil, pencils. Rabbit, rabbits. Now I have an activity for you to examine your concept of singular and plural. Now you will answer me. Apple is singular. The plural of apple is apples. Very good. The plural of gift is yes, gifts. Very good. Cup. The plural of cup is very good, cups. Cap. Very good, caps. Clock. Brilliant, clocks. You did well.